Hey everyone! Welcome back to our web scraping API channel. Today, we're diving into building a simple website crawler using Python's request library. Crawlers are essential for systematically navigating and extracting data from web pages, making them an invaluable tool for web scraping projects. Let's get started by writing our first block of code to make a request to a website. We'll use the request library to send a GET request to fetch the HTML content of a page. Ready? Let's jump to the notebook. As you can see here, we've imported the request library and made a simple GET request to a website. This request retrieves the raw HTML content of the page. If the status code is 200, that means our request was successful. Next, we need to parse the HTML content to extract meaningful information. For this, we'll use another popular library called BeautifulSoup, which will help us navigate through the HTML structure of the page. Here, we've parsed the HTML content using BeautifulSoup. This allows us to extract specific elements from the page, like headings, paragraphs, links, or any other HTML tags. In this example, we're pulling all the links from the page. Now, we're extracting all the links from the page. With the code running block by block, you'll see that it gives us a list of URLs present on the page. This is a basic but essential part of any crawler, to follow links and continue the crawling process. The next step is to set up a simple mechanism to visit multiple pages. We'll store the URLs we want to visit in a queue, so the crawler can go through them one by one. This code initializes a list of URLs and simulates the crawling process by visiting each URL. In a real-world scenario, this would allow you to move from one page to another. We can also set a rule to limit the number of pages visited or prevent revisiting the same page. And just like that, we have a basic crawler. This crawler grabs links from the current page, adds them to the queue, and continues visiting new pages until it either runs out of pages or hits a limit we set. This is the backbone of how more advanced web crawlers operate, but this gives you a solid foundation to start building more complex crawlers. One final note, as always, make sure to respect a website's robots.txt file to avoid crawling restricted pages. Be mindful of the legal and ethical considerations in web scraping. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.